welcome to my channel. What if I could go from knowing nothing about AI and machine learning to build real world projects that companies actually care about? Hi everyone, my name is Catheria. I am a computer engineering student passionate about artificial intelligence, machine learning, software development, and building technology that solves real problems. Like many beginners, I started by feeling overwhelmed by the huge amount of information online. So I decided to create the kind of learning journey I wish I had when I started. On this channel, we are going to learn AI and machine learning by building projects. Not just watching theory, not just memorizing algorithms. We will actually build things. We will start from the fundamentals such as Python, data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing. Then we move to advanced topics such as large language models, AI agents, multi-agent system, RAG applications, etc. So first, we will revisit the most important Python concepts you will need for machine learning. Not everything in Python, just the parts that actually matter when building AI applications. Then we will move into data analysis, where you will learn how to work with datasets, clean data, visualize information, and extract useful insights. Then we move to machine learning. Once we are comfortable with data here, we will start learning machine learning by building small practical projects. We will learn the theory, but more importantly, we will apply it. Then, after that, we will step into deep learning and build neural networks. Neural networks that are capable of solving more complex problems. And from there, we will explore exciting fields like computer vision, where we will teach computers to understand images, and then natural language processing, where we will build systems that can understand and generate human language. But we won't stop here. Once we have a strong foundation, we will move into advanced topics large, sorry, such as large language models, AI agents, multi-AI agent systems, RAG applications, production AI systems, and etc. So guys, in the next video, I will show you the exact platforms and resources you can use to become familiar with the key concepts you will need for machine learning and AI. Meaning, we will cover where to learn Python, mathematics, data analysis, and the fundamentals of machine learning, all in a structured way that's beginner friendly. If you don't want to feel lost when starting AI, you won't want to miss that one. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.